back guys to my YouTube channel Cloud Crafting in Abhiworld. So in previous video we were seeing that how to create a virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox manually. So now we will see that how to create virtual machine automatically by using automation tool Vagrant. So Vagrant is a HashiCorp product like Terraform is also automation tool, and Vagrant is also an automation tool. So what is Vagrant? So Vagrant is a VM automation tool. We use this tool to manage VM automation. So Vagrant is a VM automation tool, or it manages VM life cycle right from creating, making changes, and cleaning up the VM. So Vagrant tool is not a replacement of any hypervisor. So it's on top of that. So it uses those tools to create and manage the VM. So like when we in previous video we see that how we follow all the step, like to install the OS and configure the CPU, RAM, and all the things we see. But in the Vagrant, we in automation, no OS installation is required. Only we have VM images box freely available, free box available on Vagrant Cloud. So we use only. So in this we have Vagrant file. So in Vagrant files, all the components are there. Manage all VM settings in a file. So all CPU, RAM, and all the things pre-configured, like related to the VM. So VM changes through Vagrant file provisioning. So we have to change the configuration file only. And the simple commands is Vagrant init, box name, and Vagrant up, Vagrant SHS, Vagrant halt. So these automation tool is very good for like human error is not there and all the things. So we use this today. We use Vagrant for the creating the Ubuntu and CentOS VM and run some commands. So how Vagrant works? Vagrant architecture. So Vagrant is a HashiCorp product. So Vagrant have Vagrant Cloud. So in these boxes, images are all are there. All OS images are there in the Vagrant Cloud. So we have some commands. So we have Vagrant file. So in the Vagrant files, all the things are there, like VM, inoff, CPU, RAM, and all things, and box name. Box name is the boxes images file, OS file, and provisioning and memory, CPU, disk size, all the things. So here we have some commands: Vagrant up, then Vagrant read Vagrant files, and all the things, and the Vagrant halt, reload. So if you changes any thing in the box in the Vagrant file, then it reload and check the changes, and then up the file. So in the how Vagrant works. So firstly Vagrant up and Vagrant change, Vagrant see all the things in Vagrant files, and then contact the hypervisor. In our case it is a Oracle VirtualBox. So and then hypervisor, in the hypervisor it's create VM1, VM2, VM3, just like that. So this automation is very simple and very like taking less time and free from human error. So now we see how to like do in real. Okay. So steps we take to creating a VM. So first of all we have to create a folder in our computer, and then we have like Vagrant file, and then we use Vagrant up command. And if we want to going to like log in into the that VM, we have to use Vagrant SHS. And if we want to destroy the VM, Vagrant halt or destroy we use. Okay, now we see how to do the automation part. So this video is only for explaining what is Vagrant and what is Vagrant architecture, how the Vagrant works, and how the Vagrant automate the VM creation tasks in the Oracle VirtualBox or VMware or workstation. So in next video we will see how to how to automate the task in our git bash command. So Vagrant is like command line tool. So do like, subscribe, and share this to your friends and in who needs this automation thing. So thank you.